fuck. It's Maximilian. Fuck you, Maximilian. Fuck you, dude. You're gonna like rematch me like 5 times. Half of this video is gonna be you just chopping me to pieces while I have this stupid ass little axe. Motherfucker. Maybe I should snipe his hands. I'll give you one rematch. You only get one rematch. This is an absolute waste of time. This is a waste of effort. Alright, fine. One more fucking rematch. Oh, I think it's gonna crash. It's got the laggies. It normally crashes on the fucking rematches. It's probably gonna crash. Oh, I got the laggies, but it didn't crash. I'll fight you till we crash. Once we crash, I'm moving on. Why am I always holding this axe weird at the beginning? Shit, he's gyrating that fucking flanger. Fine. One more. I'm getting like little tiny... Oh, there we go. No. Shit. Survived a little bit longer. Once he gets those rotations in, it's over. Gotta keep this thing high. One more. Okay, that's my signaling my last rematch deal right there. Shit. Saved by the crash. Oh, fuck. Maybe I might have a chance. Maybe if I don't get chopped up. If I don't get chopped up, I might have a chance. I'm gonna get chopped up. I'm gonna get chopped up. Definitely gonna get chopped up. Oh shit, I got chopped up. thing just isn't as maneuverable enough to deal with that fucking sword. He's gonna chop my arms off if I push. He keeps that sword high, so he parries almost every power hit I get in. And of course, I'm like wearing basically nothing. My head falls off. One more time, dude. Fucking bloody legend helm, dude. One more rematch. Oh, you're not a Smegamorph. Maximilian must have good service, because I never see him as a Smegamorph. Saved by the crash again. Fuck! Shit. Oh, he's a Smegamorph. Shit. Okay, Smegamorphs with swords are the worst. Alright, one more time, dude. This doesn't have any really close range short popping capability. Until the crash. I'll play you until the crash. No? Okay, moving on.